Hi, Madai. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where you and your company are ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So, in this video, I'm going to go over a few specifics on how to rank your site and how to beat your competition online. Now, two of the things that I wanted to go over today are content and backlinks. Now, content is going to be anything on your home page that is text as well as images, how the images are saved, the text within the images. That is all stuff that Google can read. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician McAllen, Texas, electrician McAllen, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website is the one that pops up on top. Now, looking at your website, I really do like how professional it is, how easy to navigate it is. You've obviously spent a lot of time, effort, and money on optimizing this website and making it look as good as you can. You have video testimonials here. You have various different coupons that are listed out. You have a lot of different locations, the different awards. I love how it is structured, and it is a very, very good looking website. Now, one of the top things that I would suggest for you is, again, on your homepage, minus any testimonials here. You're definitely not going to be at that 1,500 words of content mark. You're honestly probably closer to like 200 or 300. And so what that does is it allows you to include more keyword phrases in the body of your homepage organically without looking like you're just stuffing the keywords in there, because Google is smart enough to realize that that's what you're trying to do. So again, 1,500 to 2,000. Try to keep it at one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content, and that will allow you to rank a little bit better for specific keywords. Now, one of the other things that I want to discuss with you today is called backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. But it's very important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So that means that you're going to get a lot more influence and power from a backlink that's related to your industry. For example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, something that has to do with your services that you offer. You're going to get a lot more influence from those type of backlinks as opposed to from your local Domino's Pizza. So a tool that we use to measure how many backlinks and the quality of the backlinks is called Ahrefs. And as you can see here, you have quite a few backlinks, 4.13 thousand. Looks like that, and that has been increasing from 106 different referring domains. So there's 106 websites pointing back to you over 4,100 times. And what that is doing is it's generating organic traffic of 142. So that 142 people have visited your website over the past month, and which is a good number. That's a good amount of volume going to your website. Now, something that I did want to address with you is that the traffic that's going to your website may not be the most buyer intent. And what I mean by that is we'll click on your keywords, and you'll notice that I did sort this by the amount of traffic that you're getting. So all these trailing off here, all that will equal the 140 plus visits that you get to your website. And you'll notice the top three are going to be just your name. So it's going to be people searching your name. And that may be because you have advertising elsewhere, or it might be returning customers, whatever the case may be. I did want to address that with you because that doesn't necessarily draw in new customers. Nothing wrong with having existing customers and bringing them back. That's one of the most cost-effective ways to maintain your business. But you also want to be acquiring new customers along the way. And that's where these different keywords will come into play. So AC repair, McAllen, Texas, that is a good keyword. Not a whole lot of volume behind it. So you're getting the lion's share of that one. There's just not a whole lot of people searching for it. Whereas you are ranking on the first page, not necessarily the top for electrician McAllen, Texas, which has a lot more volume, almost 2.5 times more volume. And that's why, but you're still only getting 6 people from that, and then it tapers off after that. So, you're getting about half or a little more than half of your volume from people searching your name, and then either electrical, heating and cooling. And what that can be attributed to is how your keywords are being utilized throughout your different web pages, and then also the backlinks that are pointing back at your website. If they are not industry related and they're considered what might be said as a junk backlink, then it's not going to carry a whole lot of weight in Google's eyes. Therefore, it's not going to draw that much attention or get it to the top of the rankings. So that is something definitely for consideration. We would be happy to discuss that with you further. I think that would draw and push a lot more traffic to your website, generating new customers and increasing your revenue. As opposed to your top competitor, the only thing I did was McAllen, Texas, and as you can see, their organic traffic is 14, but they still outrank you in McAllen for searches. So probably the 14 of that traffic is coming exactly from people searching electricians in McAllen, Texas, and those are probably all paying customers, as opposed to a portion of your 140 that are not. So again, if you'd like to discuss it further, this is our website here, Global Leads Marketing. You can give Megan a call back at this number, and hope that this video was beneficial to you. And please let us know if there's anything else. Have a good one.